Welcome to Alpha Tech Talks. I am Megan from Alpha Technology, and today I have a very special guest with me in the studio. Welcome, Boris, to our studio today.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
It's a pleasure. So, Boris, please tell me about the PanoCam that you brought with us today.
Sure. So PanoCam is our camera, which is a network camera with a very special, unique feature on it. This camera can produce two network streams at the same time. And I think the best way to show it to you and how that works would be by connecting it. So why don't we do just that? So as you can see, right now we have connected the PanoCam. We are already using it on our media station, connected here to the big display. On the left side, there is the first stream coming from it, which is Full HD EPTZ stream. On the right side, there is the 4K stream with a wide angle. The purpose is for you to be able to show particular audience members while at the same time still showing everybody. How this works, you can see easily through this display right now. Pressing a preset for myself using the media station, although you can also do this directly on the camera or using any other controller, I am able to select and see myself. If I do preset 2, then we can see Megan. The camera does these streams at the same time. It also supports USB output. It also supports the RTMP streaming on both of these streams. And at the same time, it comes with other useful features.
So Boris, where would you sell these kind of products?
So these kinds of products, the PanoCams, they are a perfect addition to existing products in our product line, such as the media stations, because you are able to connect both of those streams and use them in lecture halls. You can use them in conference rooms, in city councils and courts, in healthcare industry even. I mean, you can use these cameras because they are designed for ceiling installation. They come with PoE support, they come with brackets already in them, so it's very easy to install them. And when you take it, for instance, with the DS4CU, the speaker tracking station, because this is a device that can automatically track people who start talking on their microphone, the EPTZ stream of the PanoCam is able to immediately point out that person. There is no sort of camera movement, this kind of transition. And yet, you can also still use the other stream to show everybody else in the room. So, PanoCam is a very versatile product like that.
Thank you, Boris. This brings us to the end of our episode with Alpha Tech Talks. Please like and subscribe for new content.